Hi, I'm Patty Krupchak. I'm a sales consultant here at Studio 41 Home Design Showroom. We're at our beautiful location in River North in Chicago, Illinois. Let's go take a look. I hope when clients come into our showroom, they see that we have something for everyone. So every style, every budget, every timeline, every type of project. And we also help everyone. Our customers are everyone from architects and designers to homeowners and do-it-yourselfers. You can get your kitchen cabinetry, plumbing, countertop, even lighting and cabinet hardware at Studio 41. It really is a one-stop shop to make your dream space come to life. Studio 41 offers many global brands with a wide variety of unique designs to fit all tastes and styles. What sets our showroom apart is our displays. Customers really love our interactive displays and how they can see things working, and also our variety of different products on display. All the categories, hardware, plumbing, cabinetry, we even have windows and doors in some showrooms. Definitely one of the coolest parts of our showroom is our working shower display, also known as our shower lab. We provide the opportunity for customers to see, touch, and feel product before they put it in their homes. With this display, you can feel the water pressure and functionality when selecting your shower fixtures. Interactive displays like these are why customers love working with us. We have many discussions with our customers about storage and functionality in their space. We make it a priority to make your space work best for you. Well, that's our showroom. Thanks so much for taking a look with me. You can visit us online at studio41.com or on Instagram at Studio41 Showroom.